put in the top. Ayan. Gumawa ako kasi yung iba hindi ako yung kapatid ko tomorrow. So, ibigyan ko siya. Saka yung nakatikim. Okay. There you go. Yeah. Ready to bake again. Our apple pie. Thank you for watching. And get this. I show you again later when it's ready. Now it's ready to go to the oven. To the oven. There we go. So now we'll put it in the oven to 175 for 1 hour. This is to 1 hour. And thank you so much for watching. And God bless everyone. Happy Sunday. I mean Saturday. Happy weekend, everyone. Thank you so much and God bless. Yeah, I am gonna bake again. Baking time again.